Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Match.com application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Match.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Match.com website. Now once you are inside the account, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner to proceed with logging into your account. However, you can install the application without doing so. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and now from the drop down menu, hover over to more tools. You can then find the create shortcut option, so go ahead and click on it. You will then be asked to create a shortcut for the Match.com website. You can simply name it whatever you want and then make sure to check open as window. Finally click on the create button and now this will open up Match.com in its own separate browser window. And this will also create the shortcut on your desktop. You also have the option to pin it to your taskbar for easy access. And now you can directly open up Match.com by double clicking the shortcut on your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Match.com application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.